Hey guys, this is Jamie Lola Tallulah Poet Spice, and I am here to do the last Oh So Inspired collab video for 2019, which is crazy that I'm saying that because, well, number one, it's crazy that it will be the end of 2019, and when I'm filming this is June 2019, so that's definitely like triple weird. But when you see this, it will be December. Anyway, in the description box below, you will see the inspiration piece that we had. And what came across to me was like a stained glass embossed type look in blues, purples, and greens. So I went with the stained glass type of look. All my supplies are put back, but I did a few projects. So let's start with these. Now, because I'm doing them in the summertime, they're not very Christmassy, which you would expect from me in December, but like I said. So this is a tonic die, as you see. I love my tonic dies. This was the tonic die from the number 8 magazine kit, and I cut that out, went back and paper pieced it with a different color, and then I also used some Nouveau drops. Now these are the jewel drops. I use these jewel drops, and I believe the green are, let me see, what are they? They are crystal drops. So I use those to fill in some of the detail of that, so it gives it kind of that stained glass look. These leaves are Anna Griffin, and I believe this is Tattered Lace. If not, it's Crafter's Companion. This was some Crafter's Companion paper I had, and then on the inside, some of that burlappy looking kind of paper. So that was one piece. Then I did some little tags, and I can't remember where the tag shapes are from. I want to say they're tonic as well. And then this is a cottage cut die, and I cut it twice, layered it up so it have a background. I don't know if you can see the shadow, and it's like a gray versus a black. This background paper is from Tattered Lace, one of their magazines, and these were some little, like, I got these from the dollar store Tuesday morning, can't remember. And then I did it again, just in different colors, with a different saying. And then on the back, if you wanted to, you could put a little note somewhere. So I did 3 of those with kind of a stained glass look. Then I do have this die out. This one is one of the Lily Pond from Hunky Dory. And there were 4 dies with this set. And it came with a paper pad that you could use. So I took that and some paper and a card blank, an 8x8 or 7x7 card blank. And I don't know what sentiment I'm going to put on it, but this is the card. It'll be a tent card, so it'll stand like that. So you can see the glitter card from the card base. I put this one on top. What I did for this is there's a bottom layer of this die. And then I went back through and put more jewel drops in various colors that kind of match what was going on. So like the green, and I got the reds, and then like the clearish white for the swan. I didn't have an orange, so I just left it like that. And put that on there, let it dry all the way. And then I cut a second layer so you could see there's, maybe you can't, but you can see there's an extra level of depth on there. So that was really cool. So that was my last project, and I didn't really put anything on the inside as far as a mat to write on, but I will do that once I decide. And there's no sentiment. I think I said this so because I don't know what I want it to say yet or where it's going. So that is my last project for the year for this collab, and I had fun doing the stained glass one. That was really cool. All right, go check out the other ladies. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again later on. If I do not see you, have a happy Christmas, a Merry Christmas, Kwanzaa, Happy New Year, Hanukkah, I want to say Rosh Hashanah, but I always forget when that is. So everybody who celebrates anything in December and January, happy. Bye.